Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to insert rows in Excel. So this tutorial will cover 1. How to insert a single row, 2. How to insert multiple adjacent rows, and number 3. How to insert multiple non-adjacent rows. So to insert a single row, let me just select these two cells and highlight with a different color. So if you want to insert a row on the lower side, for example, this is row 9, assuming you want to select a row below, you're supposed to select a row on the lower side, okay, next to where you want to insert a row. So select it and then right click, then click insert. So you can see a row has been inserted between the row I had selected. So if you want to insert a row on the upper side of row 9, again select the row on the upper side of the row and then right click, then click insert. So that's how you insert a single row. So to insert multiple adjacent rows, again let's say I want to insert a number of rows below row 5. Okay, let me just put a different cell color. So you're supposed to select the rows below row 5, and then the number of rows you select determines the number of rows that will be inserted. So if I want to insert 3 rows, I will select 3 rows below. So once you're done selecting, just right click and then click insert. So that's how you insert multiple continuous rows. Assuming you want to insert multiple non-adjacent rows, what you do, again select one row and then press Ctrl key on your keyboard, select another row, and please remember where you the rows you're selecting determines where you want to insert new rows. So as you press your Ctrl key, go selecting the rows, and then once you're done, right click on one of the selected rows and then click insert. There you go. So you can see new rows have been inserted as highlighted in gray. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.